What's going on, guys? It's Michael with Michael's Semi-Daily Updates. It has been a while since I have been on here, but let's get to everything that we're going to do. We're going to watch the stock open, if I can get it here, if I can find the right one. Here we go. I think that's it. Let's see. So the market's about to open. We're watching the stock Opendoor Technologies. It has been on a run here recently. Oomy, stop. That's my kitty cat. He's got a lot bigger since last I've been on here. But it's 9:30, guys, so let's see what the price does here. Let's see. Looks like it's dropping pretty good. Why isn't my charts working here? Come on now. There we go. Let's see what we're doing here. Let's go down to the 1 day. We're going to do 5-minute candles. And while we're doing that, I'm going to check my phone real quick because I want to get in here a little bit. Just looking here. Sorry guys, give me just a second. I've got some looks like it's starting to go back up. Trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this stock. Had a put. I thought it would drop a little bit, but it looks like it wanting to fight that $10 level. It's dropping below 10. 991. See what it's going to do. Take it to the 1-minute candles. So we got, since market open, we got 1, 2. So we're in the 3rd minute of the market. Now it's starting to sell off a little bit. Here comes the green again. It's falling now, 975. Because this thing, guys, just real quick, in a week, this thing's up 36%. In a month, it's up 296%. In 3 months, it's up 1,500%. So it could drop back down, but they're talking about a squeeze play on this. It was up, 76 cents yesterday, or 76%, and it was open. It's been going on quite a little bit here. Just want to see it drop a little bit more before I had a big swing, that's for sure. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's been open for 5 minutes. So what we do here, what I always do, is I take the high of the first 5 minutes and I take the low, and that gives us a little area to stay in and to watch, because you don't know, this stock could fall off really quick or it could jump really quick too. So once I get this last, got 8 seconds left on this last candle, and then that will give us a little area that kind of tells us where the stock's going to lay. So the low for 5 minutes was here. So what we want to see is, if you want it to go up, you want to kind of see it come up here, maybe come back down a little bit, and then rise back up this way. If it's going to fall today, it should fall down a little bit, come back up, and start to fall. While we're doing that, looking at other stocks here, United Healthcare is shooting up. It's 357. That's been one I've been watching. Adobe, after earnings, it's down again, which, I mean, I think that's going to be all right, but oh, I'm sorry, you want to take it back to the 1 minute candles here. About messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So we're right in here. Starting to come back up, but not a whole lot. Snapchat's fallen. This one's starting to come back up a little bit, but hit $10.48, as you can see here, the highest in over 3 years, after the CEO was appointed. So we do have a little bit of news, you know, buy the hype, sell the news kind of deal, but he's set up on his pay basically was $1, and the only way he gets paid is if Opendoor Technologies he can do something about. So we will see what he does. That gives him a lot of reason to try to better this stock. But here we go, up over $10 again. At $10 mark, still got a lot of green candles though, and there we're gonna bust that line, maybe bust. Yeah, there we go, we passed it. So is it gonna keep going? That's the question. Back down to that path. My own Q's up 5%. Sorry guys, if anybody's talking to me, I don't have the chat up, so I'm just kind of watching it and seeing what this is going to do. But if anybody is on here, it's nice seeing you guys again, talking to you. There we go. So it never really, I don't think it really closed above that line. So we need it to, I mean, it did close above that line, so it needs to come back down and come back up. And that's a good sign in the price action still going up. But we need to, the market's been open for 9 minutes. I don't think there's anything else really going on. Applied Digital up to $17.51. That's one I really talked about for a long time. Especially it was sitting at $4 and $5. I've made a lot of money off Applied Digital, and I think that one's still going to go up. They got a rate increase. They got a up on their price for up to $25. There we go. There's up to $10.25 now. Where is it gonna keep going? $10.34. I mean, let's see it when this thing starts to jump. I mean, it starts to move. It really, really does. And it can go either way. This stock, as quick as it goes up, it can come down. So that's the thing that makes this stock really interesting. But the $10 mark, if it can stay above $10, you know, guys, this was a 51-cent stock 3 months ago, so up 1,500%. But I mean, with the news yesterday, it went from, what was it? It made me sick. It was $6-7 sometime yesterday. It was $5.88 on the 10th, and now it's up to 10. It was $10.34, so it's almost doubled in just a little less than a day. So let's see, but it's going the right direction. What we don't want it to fall back down into this and close in this area. If it does close in this area and then moves below this point, that could be a turnaround that we're not looking for. So let's see what we got. See what else is going on. IonQ is shooting up. It's up 11% now. So we just got the sell signal. It is falling back down here. This is my dad. Hold on just 1 second, guys. You guys watch it and we'll see what's going on. Let me take this call. Hello? Not much. What are you doing? Applied is up 8%. Looks like this is staying right there in that valley. Can't make up its mind what it's going to do. Open. Applied up over $18, guys. Applied Digital is just just a stock that's just, it's going places. And I had a call in for when I made good money. I made I think 58%, and then I cashed out. Had I still had that call, boy, I'd be making good money. But Applied Digital achieved a new 52-week high of 1768, and now it's up over $18. Might be a good time actually to put in for Applied, because I think it's gonna fall down a little bit. Palantir, it's in the buy zone, 165. I was buying that when it was 6. Archer Aviation, I definitely like Archer Aviation. These are 1 minute candles, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got a lot of action on that. Let's go back down here to open, sitting at 992. It's just staying right there in between 1013 and 960. What's the matter, baby? What's the matter? Come here. You haven't seen the people in a long time. Last time you saw he was on TV, he was a little kitten. Now look at you. Remember you used to sit up here and watch the screen? You don't even do that anymore. Don't get too carried away now. Yeah, don't get too carried away. Yeah, my baby. Okay, we're back over $10 on open. See if we can get out of that sell position that Trading View has us in. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Why don't you give me some good luck on this? Down to 990. Ooh, that was a big drop right there. That was a very big drop right there. That was a big drop. Yes, I see ya. Yes, I see ya. Sorry, I gotta send this text. Sorry guys, it's just work. Now look at that, that's a big drop. That's a big drop. Let's see what they can do. Up and I got some volume. It's having trouble holding, that's for sure. There's a lot more sell orders than there are buy. There's a big buy order, 4,500, 980. People just keep selling it. Which I can't blame people. What's the SPY doing? The SPY is not looking good. Our old favorite microcloud hologram. We don't even really look at that anymore. Applied Digital doesn't know what it's going to do, but it's sitting 52-week highs. Video almost up to 180. Did it hit 180? Nope. It will soon. Archer Aviation, that's another one I really like. Just trying to see what else is going on. This one is starting to fall a little bit. But at the same time, that might be a good time to grab some. I don't know. It's still up so much, but it's slowly starting to fall. If it breaks below 960, you can see a plunge from that point. But or who knows, maybe it bounces and comes back up. You know, this has got a lot of attention as far as the meme community, and then with that new CEO joining, that's why we had a big day yesterday. So I could see a pullback today, you know, down 7% today. But I don't think this run is over with. You know, Opendoor Technologies, it's a online real estate company, and they're also putting a lot of money into AI. And like we said, this new CEO, basically, if the company doesn't succeed, he doesn't get paid. So, got a lot of motivation behind that, and it's just one to watch. You know, even if it falls a little bit, you could dollar cost average. If you got in late, if you got in early, you're doing real good, because just 3 months ago, like I said, it was 50 cents. So, doing really good. But it's almost back up to 10, so it is fighting. I mean, it's still not out of that sell that they're saying, but I mean, it did get as high as 1038. Just trying to see if anything else is going on. It's almost back up to 10. $10 level though is tough. It gets close to 10, people sell. You okay? You tired? Stock market stressing you out? It's fun. It's fun. Another green candle that turns into a red one. And the thing is, we're not making higher highs. We got a high there, then we got a lower high, stayed the same, a lower high. There's a higher high, and you got a lower high. So if you want any kind of bounce, you've got to have this take off up here. Be right back. I think my boy's leaving for school. Last day, 8 of mine, turns 18 tomorrow. And it's fighting that $10 level, Umi. Still. I want a little bit more than that. Well, guys, I'm at 10 o'clock. I'm going to jump off here. I got my dad coming out. And he's going to be moving in with us. So, that's why this room looks kind of empty. Used to have a lot of Kansas City Chiefs stuff up in there. And we are still going to turn around. The Chiefs are 0-1. Now they're playing the Eagles with no wide receivers. But I think we win that game. We're underdogs at home. How could that be, Des? Okay, how could that be? Can't believe it. There we go, up to 992 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6 green candles. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes till 10 o'clock, and then Daddy's getting off here. And I'm going to go have some fun and hang out with my dad. And it's going to be all good. Right? Right? You're bloody well right. You got the bloody right to say. Alright. Well, that one open is not. It's early. It's still the first half hour. You know how this goes. But, we got 100 million in volume. Not a ton. I mean, that's a lot for the stock, but not here recently. And, we can get, if we could get back above this line here, 1013, we could be cruising. Because truly, a lot of times that's what you want. You want it to come up, you want it to come back down, rest a little bit, and have people sell out, and then start buying again, and come on back up. So, there's the $10 mark. And we want it to just keep going, and if it does keep going and gets past 1013, then it could be a good day. As long as it's fighting that $10 mark, or doesn't get past 1013, it kind of starts falling back down. That's pretty much, it's going to stay right in this area. So let's see what happens. We just got a new candle. 50 seconds left. If we get this up to at least 1010. Oh, that's not good. Every time we start making a little bit of progress, here comes that red candle. People are definitely selling at 10. But you still got a lot more buys coming in as opposed to sells. 27.69 at versus 152, 31.49 versus, that was a big one. Now you got going the other way. People selling because it's $10. Right when it hits that $10 mark, people just selling. Now people are buying after the $10 mark. Here's your first higher high in a while. So let's see if this can continue. I'm telling you, people are selling at $10 till it can break through that $10. Here we go. Now we're cooking. We can go back into it here. I think we could really be doing something. We could close this candle. Oh, there we go. Now we're doing something. And after that, the high of the day today, is 1038. We can get past that. We're really cruising. Let me see what I got going on here. wish I would have bought a little bit more down when it was $9. It's starting to fall back down a little bit. But it's back above this. I mean, that's a good sign. That is a good sign. I want to stay above that 1013 to keep going up. Sitting at 1030, that's fine though. Just trying to see. I mean, does it keep going up? I mean, it looks strong. I mean, it still hasn't gave us a buy signal though, which is crazy. It's gonna fall back down a little bit, which that's pretty normal. It's it breathing. Falls back below 1013. Oh, there it is right there. It's got to close above 1013. We got about 30 seconds left in this candle. Seconds, 10 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did close below that. It's not the greatest sign in the world. Gets back under $10. Now it's back down to minus 4.5%. It got up to 2, but it's lost the $10 mark. And we got another sell signal. So no buy throughout that. I mean, you could have went from 1021 to up to 1033, but never did break the earlier high. A lot of fighting there just to pretty much end back to square one. We got 20 seconds left in this candle. It's a $10 level again. That's a big level. And close above 10, which we did. Now let's see what we can do here. Gonna go back up, or we're gonna fall back down. There we go. The buy signal. Buy signal went away. Wow. 996. Stocks all over the place. Back up to $10. That $10 level is big. It's big. We've got to hold the $10 level, which that's one hell of a level to have. I'll be right back. You're not playing on bait, which is very unhealthy, I know, but yeah, it's not looking good, I don't think. So volume, we got 141.5 million in volume, so it's hard telling what this is going to do. There's no financial advice. It's just a very interesting stock. Now, granted, in 3 months it's up 1,500%. So, you know, I don't want to tell people to get in on it, but still, it's $9.96, under $10. They got a new CEO. I just think there's some good things about that, but we'll see. But it could easily fall right back down to where it was before. I mean, there's that $10 level. That's a big level right here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to make this a red. I'm going to make this a red line. Because that's where we want to stay above. We want to hold that line. Here's the valley. And we've been up and down. We have went above it twice, so that's a good sign. But it just seems to be stuck right here, right at the $10 mark, which is a very big mark. It's either going to go decent above that $10 or a decent amount below that $10 whenever it makes up its mind. We would like to close this candle above 10. We're still getting a lot of sells at $10. A lot more sells than buys. Seeing what else is going on. Adobe fell back under $350. Which I think Adobe, that's another one. In 3 months is down 15%, year to date down 22%, for the year down 40%, 5 years down 26%. So I think Adobe could turn around. I really do. Palantir is flying off the charts. It's at $166. I would have only kept my Palantir stock. Solano up to $240. That's crazy. Applied Digital followed back down under 18. I was going to say that would have been a good opportunity to buy a put. I don't know why I didn't do that, to be honest. Kind of stupid. Come on, open. Open the floodgates, open. Open those floodgates. Alright, well, it's 10:15. I stayed on here a little bit longer and thought I was going to, but real quick, just a rundown. NVIDIA, they say it's in a sell territory at 177. Applied Digital would have been a good time to buy a put at $18 just because that was the 52-week high, but I missed it. SoFi will shortly begin to start coming up here because they cut the interest rates. SoFi is going to have a big jump. Palantir is a monster, like always. It's all you do with Palantir is buy and hold because it's a no-lose strategy. Very boring when you like to day trade, but yeah, they give you a buy signal at 164. AMD looking good. Archer sell in a sell territory. BBAI, they had a big run up today, but then they're falling off. Record Cloud Hologram, it's a joke. I don't trust that with anything in me. Was in it. Made money off of it too, thank God, but I don't know how. And you've got Opendoor Technology. This one I think is the most interesting stock right now. As far as like the meme stocks are just a chance to get in on something big, but it might have already went big. It's up 1,500%. So, but guys, that's it. Thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. Sorry it's been a while since I've been on here, but I will get back on here soon. If anything else happens with Open, if we see any more
actions say it gets above 1013 again. If it gets above 1013, we want to watch out for that 1038, that 1040 mark. If we get above that, we will be cruising. So that's what we want to do. But like I said, tread carefully with this stock. It's up 1,500% in 3 months, so just tread carefully. But I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you next time. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Got a lot of different stuff on there, but I don't know. I think you guys would like it. But you guys take it easy. I will talk to you later.